Hello friends! Today, I want to talk about one of the most versatile, tasty, and nutritious fruits out there, bananas. You might be wondering, why is this girl talking about bananas? But trust me, my friends. This is one fruit that packs a real punch. But before we dive into all the goodness, let's talk about some fun facts about bananas. Did you know that bananas are berries? Yup, that's right. They are actually the largest berries in the world. Let's start with the obvious. Bananas are a great source of quick energy boost. They are high in natural sugars like fructose and glucose, which makes them a great option for a quick pick-me-up when you're feeling tired. Next, did you know that bananas are also good for your mood? Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps to regulate mood and boost happiness. So, if you're feeling a bit down, grab a banana and let the happiness flow. Third, bananas are high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate weight. And lastly, bananas are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintains heart health. In conclusion, bananas are not just a sweet treat, they're also packed with health benefits. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, stock up on these yellow wonders. And that's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.